Hey guys, it's Flownuts here to show you this video about sublimating on aluminum business cards. I know it sounds crazy, aluminum business cards, but seriously, they are awesome. They are waterproof, and most likely people do not throw them away because they're aluminum. Anyways, let's get started. I have butcher paper already laid down. I put the business cards down. I've already taped them, as you can see, onto the image. And now I'm getting ready to press them, and of course I put butcher paper on top. Okay, they are now being pressed at 400 degrees for 40 seconds. That was the quickest 40 seconds in life. Well, they are done. So I am now going to put my glove on because they're a little hot to transport from the press to the table, but you can take the glove off right away because they really do cool down pretty fast. Finished product, aluminum business cards. Vibrant in color, even if they're just black and white, doesn't matter. Until next time, my YouTubers, see you later. Flownuts out.